Hello, hi everyone. Today I came with one more maintenance video. So this is for the platform developer one certification maintenance for winter 24. Okay, so as previous video I have done for the app builder. If you want, I'll be adding to the I card and end card. Please go through if you want. So this time I'll not take a more time. I'll just directly overview and jump into the questions. I know you guys are fed up with listening a more of explanation. So the the main content here is for platform developer one certification. So I think few are things I have couple of things I have covered actually. So custom error message means validation rule in a trigger flow. That is also I make one video. You can see it. And there is a security codes. The Apex code has to be executed in. I mean the database operations has to be executed and based on system mode or user mode that we can able to do that. And then they have improved the lightning web component else and if and else if and iterable looping a more easy. Okay, and interface collaborate class. Okay, so let's jump into the just I'll just explain. See here with user mode, if you are running a query, if you use a with user mode, it will execute as with user mode, or else if you use the system mode, it will be run as a system mode. Okay, and then yeah, this is a validation role in a trigger. I mean trigger flow. Customer message you can use wherever you want, and then an LWC component. If you can write a if like this, and then immediately else, and if you want to be else if also you can use this. See else if also you can use this. This is an example for else if and else if and else. Earlier how it was different template if true and template if false, like that we were using, right? So this time they have improved more. Okay, so by using the iterable string, they make the for loop more easy. Okay, just it will return the one by one string here. Okay, and then I don't want to take a more time here. I'll just jump into the questions. The first question is which SOQL query keywords can be used to repeat the object permissions of the return the user for the query in a Apex code. Will be the with user mode they said, right? So I'm just saying user mode here. Okay, and then which can be the error message, which can be the error message be displayed by the adding the custom error message element in the flow in a window on the record page or as inline error. Both, right? We can show the both on error. Okay, what is the question is where you want to show? Is it you want to show on detail page error message or field level error message? That's what this. So we can show the both, right? So that's why I have selected a entire A and B. And then wherever why are you LWC if and if else and else if conditions are even more effectively, and then also if true and if else driven. So this will be the answer is property getters are accessibility only once per the intention of the device. Okay, next question is, which of the following can be used in a through the list in the for loop? So this will be listing. This will be the iterable variable, not a string. Okay, which feature can be used to customize behavior by the list of sort method. So for sort method, we can use comparative interface. Okay, done. Yes, so it's completed. We'll go for the next. So next one is it's hands-on. Get hands-on on with the binding variable in a SOQL query. I'll just bit time here. So what it is uh, so dynamically we can pass the variables to get the queries. So what exactly it is so whenever you are writing a apex SOQL query dynamically, we'll use like this, right? Select id and name. A name will be come in the parameter. So if you want to send a multiple parameter, multiple variables, what you will do, you will add a comma and type equal to something, a time something something, right? So instead of that, you can do the query with the binding parameters. The binding parameters will be, so first of all, what will be, we are passing this in map. So what you are going to pass in this map is, in this map, one string and then object. Okay, so here they have given example in this. You see here the string has a account name actually. So what the intention of this code is, whatever I pass the account name, those 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 account names has to be written. Records has to be written. So here they are passing only one account. This string they are adding into this map. Okay, so then when you executed this method, means this method you are passing this map, what the returns will become is this account name contain the record, right? That record will become. So that is the difference between normal SQL query and query with bind. So this is a database method, new method it's written. So coming to the hands-on, what we have to do, we have to create this method, this class in our playground area. So I'll just jump into the developer console. I'll create a new Apex class here. New Apex class. The class name they have given, I just copy pasted here. The class is going to create now, and I'm just copying this code and saving. I'm just replace with this class. Okay. So this is the first step to complete the hands-on, and then what they are saying is here, update this get contact ID with the binds method in a query contact class. Okay, so this what we have to update is they have given a logic here. Just read it. You'll be get to know. So I have a code and handy. I'll just paste it here. So this is a code you have to add. Okay, so I'll just add my code in between here. Okay, else is closing. Okay, so this is else. This is a method closing. So multiple lines is here. Okay, and class has to be closed. I'll just save it. Think so. There is no errors. Okay, let's jump into the our playground. I'll just say the check. So there is this checking process is going on. Okay, yeah, it's successfully done. Okay, So this is what the maintenance. Thank you so much. If you feel my efforts is appreciable, please like and share this video. Those who have written the certifications. Okay, thank you so much.